Hello everyone, well, welcome to another PHP tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll go over basic string manipulation in PHP. So what is string manipulation? Say we had a way for people to put input in, like you had a file that kinda said first name, last name, middle initial, stuff like that. Well, you need to put their first name, their middle initial, and their last name together into one string when you display it on the screen easily. Well, that's a form of string manipulation called concatenation, which we'll go over in just a couple seconds. So string manipulation is a way to manipulate strings or groups of characters so that you can use it better for your current situation. So as you can see, I'm already starting to form our strings here. We have variable A is now equal to hello plus a space and a space right here, and B is world with an exclamation point. Well, we're gonna have to change this. Echo A plus B. Or no, sorry, not plus B. Period B. Wow, the winds outside are strong. Oh, wow. Hold on. Wow. Alright, I might have to cut this tutorial a little shorter than I wanted to, guys, because the winds are insane outside. Alright. Well, as I was saying, when we put A, hello, space, period, world, exclamation point, what we're doing is, this period means concatenate, which, one second, somebody's ringing our doorbell now. Alright, sorry. As I was saying, this little period means concatenate, and what concatenate means, this is basically a fancy word for put together. So, we're putting the two strings together. Sorry, sorry if you guys didn't hear that too well. So we're putting the two strings together to form one, virtually one. It's not actually one string, but that's how it reads it, as if it were one string. So that's what this concatenation means. So when we go to Firefox and we refresh our page, we get hello world, as we expected. But what if we wanted to concatenate things that weren't necessarily variables? Like, what if we wanted to just have a space in here, like this? Well, we can do that. We concatenate the hello with the space, and then we concatenate what we've already formed with the B, world. And we'll see we get the same result. Now, what if you wanted to only take part of A or part of B? And we'll make a new variable called AA. Well, you can do that too. Substring, which is a function in PHP. I will go over functions in our next tutorial and how they really work. A function. Type in our string, which is A. Start is 0, and the length. Alright, let me explain. So if we were to read this as a computer does, usually you'd say, hey, look, the H is the first letter, so that's letter number 1 in hello, right? No. A computer reads the first letter as 0, and then upwards. Starts at 0, and then up. So to the computer, H is letter 0 in the string, and then E is number 1. So 0. We're starting at H, and then length. Problem I get a lot, because I'm not that great at remembering things. The length, the third parameter, is not to what index of the character. An index is the number the character has in the string, like h is 0. That's its index. It's not the index of how far you want to go. It's literally how many letters you want, and this is counted 1 and up. So if we wanted to get to E from H, so 0 and 1, we'd say A0 2. Okay? So if we wanted to just echo AA right now. Alright, we'll get he. Or, well, if we wanted to go all the way back up to hello, but we didn't want to have to figure out how long the string was. Don't have a third parameter. And 1 second. Alright, could there be another interruption for this video? We are now getting hello because we're not specifying how long, so it automatically thinks, okay, everything beyond the character you indexed. So if we only wanted hello, okay, we can do that. Hello. We just start at a different index. Now, say we have hello, and we'll just change this back to A, so we're actually changing the value of A. Because that's one thing I didn't tell you in the variables tutorial. You can change the value of a variable after you declare it. So we're going to change A, and what we're going to do is have it be no. Alright, 1 second again. Alright. What were we doing? Oh yeah, we're capitalizing hello. Alright, to do this, you put ucfirst. And then the string you want to capitalize. And in this case, it's A. Now, some of you might be like, well, we're changing A, so you really can't use A. Wrong. Until you put that semicolon, A is not changed. It is still the same as it was before this line. Okay? So we're using hello. When we go down here and we put in this again, we'll get hello world with a capital H, like we were getting earlier. But what if we already have a capital letter there? Well, it's still going to do it. It's not going to change it at all in that case. So that is basic string manipulation. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I'll catch you guys later.